Hello everyone and welcome from the beautiful Siem Reap. Thank you so much for clicking on the thumbnail on our video. We are Landmarks and at the moment we are traveling in Cambodia. So in this video today you can expect some really cool stuff happening. We're going to a floating village in Tonle Sap, the biggest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia. Some crazy stuff is gonna happen. Our boat breaks down at night on our way coming back from our trip. Some crazy stuff is gonna happen. You see some beautiful views. It's an amazing time we had, so come along, please watch the whole video. It really helps us. Don't forget to like, and thank you so much for the support, everyone. Enjoy the video. Alright, so we're just taking a quick tuk-tuk taxi, yeah?
From our hotel.
Yeah, to the main road, where the guys will pick us up with the minivan. Just a normal guy with a scooter like that. And then he pulls like a little cart that you are sitting in. So this floating village that we are going to now, we're paying around $15 a person for this floating village. It's 120,000 real.
Yeah.
For both of us, no?
This price is like in COVID, during COVID situation, because before that it's more than 15.
Yeah, now it's 15, and it includes everything. It includes the boat trip, and you guys will see. We'll go on a boat trip. We'll see a sunset. We are going to see a village, the local life of a floating village. We also don't know what we're going to see, but this is what we've heard. So yeah, stay tuned for what we're going to see. It's going to be quite cool, I think. Alright, so we made it here in the minivan. Yeah, there's a few people at least, yeah? You can see.
โอเคค่ะทุกคนตอนนี้ก็คือไกด์เนี่ยเขาก็พาเรามาที่ตลาดนะคะทุกคนเป็นตลาดชุมชนไม่รู้เขาขายอะไรบ้าง What is that?
That is a wild fruit which you don't have in the country. This is only in Cambodia. It's wild fruit.
In Thailand don't have, huh?
Don't have. This is what we call don kai.
Don't kai, yeah?
How is the
We
taste?
don't have name of English. The taste is a little bit sweet
Sweet?
and fresh.
Try it now.
How much for one bun?
I don't know what. Half real. This is share.
2,000.
2,000. Yeah.
Look at that.
What is it? It's a grape, oh. It's like a grape,
You
no?
can taste it. They also can eat with the spice, with the spicy sauce.
Ah.
Yeah. This one.
Can I try?
Yeah. But you try first now.
You can put it.
Well, some good. Well, it's some spicy. But it's Thailand. You Thailand.
Yeah.
What Thailand?
I eat very spicy. ทุกคนดูนะคือมันจะเป็นแบบเป็นลูกๆแบบแล้วก็มีแบบขนนิด
It's my favorite.
How is it?
แล้วก็แบบ
Huh?
thank you เป็นแบบฝาดๆอ่ะ thank you how's the taste
Similar to a grape, but it's like very dry, no?
แล้วก็ฝาดภาษาอังกฤษว่าอะไรไม่รู้อ่ะ
I know, so.
I don't know how
But-
do you describe
But after eating it, it leaves your mouth like dry, almost. Very interesting, no?
yeah
See that cake? Big Khmer cake.
Oh, kanom krop.
See that?
ขนมเรา wanna try
This is
Let's try
kanom
it out.
krop. Yeah, let's
Cambodia
try.
called kruok, nom kruok.
Nong
Oh,
krop.
almost the best
You go,
try
yeah.
In Thai, they go kanom krop.
We call nom kruok.
Yeah, this is still the old style. They use the mukata to make the kanom krop.
Can I have one
This is the clay.
The clay, yeah?
pan. Yeah, the clay pan.
Yeah, this is still the old style, yeah?
Wow, and
Old
look how
style,
she
yeah.
make for me
She put it in the banana leaf.
thank you
What is this?
It's sauce
Sauce?
อ๋ออุ้ยทุกคนดูดิอันนี้เป็นแบบขนมครกเด้อ
ขนมครกจริงๆ no? Oh, here's the sauce to dip it inside. Thank you. You want to try the sauce?
Yeah, because the like not too much, and then the flavor is like blend, you know.
Oh yeah, blind.
With coconut.
So you're gonna have to dip it.
Dip it there and see.
Okay, let me try it out.
Know what sauce it is?
Like it's weird, yeah. Not weird, but it's not the same as the.
It's not that sweet, no?
Not at all.
Yeah, not
That's
sweet
why they
like.
have the.
Alright, you guys can walk.
Yeah.
Over there.
All right. Not that sweet, no?
Thank you.
Thank you. Here's some of the fish they were talking about that they have here. Some of the fish that they catch. Yeah, so this is the fish market like that guy explained earlier. But most of the vendors are not here now. Most of them are already gone home, so it's a morning market like he said, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, so everywhere there's some dry fish, some salty fish.
Some ขนมครก
Some kind of grog we found, yeah. But
ใช่
it,
แต่ว่ารสชาติไม่แบบคือจะเป็นแบบจืดๆนะเนาะ
It's-
It's blend like
it's not sweet, no, at all. The smell is strong. Little faster. I cannot handle smells. So good. Faster. All right, that was the gut smell. That's why.
You guys, here used to be the boat station, the boat port. So the boat port change 4 or 5 times a year before the level of the water go up, go down, dry season and wet season. Yeah. Do you know the ticket where we stop for the ticket, buy the ticket? There it used to be boat before during the wet season. Yeah. Now you see very different. You move here. And one more place. Another place for boat port. We live there. We will go there, but here also one boat port as well. Have 2.
ค่ะทุกคนตอนนี้นะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะพาเดินชมนะคะว่าบรรยากาศที่หมู่บ้านนี่นะคะเป็นยังไงบ้างนี่นะคะ
Now you stand inside the fish village that we call Kampong Kruk village. That people here, every family have a big family. Start from the 5 people up, and they have many children. The people living here around more than 500 families. The main job of them is fishermen. 6 months in the water, 6 months in dry season like this. Yeah. Start from June or July, the water will start raining, and the water from the lake, Tonle Sap lake, start the level up high step by step. And here used to be flood from August, September, October, November. You can see the level on the post, yeah, on the electric post. It's flood everywhere. 6 months, just rowing boat in the village. Everywhere they go to the market, they go to the school using by boat. And now they're using a bike, motorcycle. When the dry season, they move their bikes or motorcycle. Go to that. They have they go there. At the night, almost the men go to the lake.
I don't know what is he doing.
And the lady take the fish to sell in the market.
อ๋อ
This is because
Hello.
นี่ค่ะปลาลมควันทุกคนค่ะทุกคนก็ที่ทุกคนเห็นนะคะก็คือว่าหมู่บ้านเขาเนี่ยจะยกขาสูงขึ้นมากๆเลยเพราะว่าเนื่องจากว่าเวลาน้ำมันท่วมเนี่ยค่ะน้ำเนี่ยจะท่วมประมาณตั้งแต่เดือนสิงหาคมสิงหาไปจนถึง6 เดือนนะคะทุกคน6 เดือนนะคะที่น้ำท่วมและทุกคนเนี่ยก็จะอยู่กับน้ำนะคะตลอด6 เดือนนะคะแล้วที่สำคัญก็คือว่าเด็กๆเนี่ย เขาเมื่อกี้ไกด์บอกว่าเขาจะแฮปปี้ในช่วงที่แบบว่าไม่มีน้ำมากๆเลยนะคะ เพราะว่าอะไรเขาได้เล่นนะคะ เพราะว่าถ้าเกิดว่าน้ำมาเนี่ยคือเขาก็จะไม่ได้เล่นเขาต้องอยู่แต่กับบ้านอะไรอย่างเงี้ยแล้วคือเวลาเขาเห็นชาวต่างชาติหรือว่านักท่องเที่ยวมานะคือแบบเขาจะแฮปปี้มากเลย Hello What's your name คือเสียดายนะคะที่แบบว่าเรามาในช่วงที่มันเป็นแบบคือไม่ได้มันเป็นช่วงที่แบบว่าไม่มีน้ำนะคะก็ถ้าเกิดว่าใครอยากมาเห็นช่วงที่มันมีน้ำก็คือจะเป็นช่วงเดือนสิงหาค่ะทุกคนจะเป็นช่วงที่มีน้ำนั่นแหละคือแบบน่าเที่ยวมากเลยค่ะโอเคค่ะตอนนี้นะคะก็คือแบบว่าเพื่อนๆที่มาด้วยกันนะคะก็คือแบบว่าเนี่ยค่ะเขาก็จะแบบให้ซื้อนะคะแล้วก็เพื่อที่จะเอาไปบริจาคให้เด็กๆนะคะตอนนี้เพื่อนๆนะคะเขาก็จะเป็นคนบริจาคให้เด็กๆนะคะคือแบบจะมีแม่ค้าพ่อค้าพวกเนี้ยเขามาขายแล้วก็คือจะให้เขาเป็นคนเอาไปให้เด็กคุณครูเองนะคะคือทุกคนช็อกหลังจากที่เราถ่ายรูปใช่ปะเขาพูดว่าอะไรเด็กๆพูดว่าอะไร
เด็กๆพูดบอกว่าเอาตังค์ด้วยนะเอาเรียลด้วยเอี่ยววะ
มาบอกว่าโอ้ my god ฉลาดมากเดี๋ยวพวกนี้
เก่งมากด้วยจริงๆ
อยู่เป็นเขาเรียกว่าอยู่เป็น
ใช่เป็นมาก
ไง
โอ้โหโลกเยอะนะ
เลยคนนู้นด้วยนี่ดิ
We're going on the boat now, yeah. They just wanted to take us around.
The village.
Yeah, just show us around the village a little bit. Walk through the village and see the people, see how they live. But yeah, pretty interesting to see like that, no? Interesting, the houses.
It's like the old time. It's like we are taking a time machine.
And going back in time, no?
Back in time.
Okay, so looks like we're going on the boats now. Let's have a look and see.
พี่เขาก็จะพาเราไปซิ่งแล้วนะคะทุกคนให้มันได้อย่างนี้สิ
Holy God! Oh.
โอเคค่ะทุกคนตอนนี้เราก็ถึงร้านอาหารเรียบร้อยแล้วนะคะก็ตรงนี้ก็จะเป็นทะเลสาบนะคะซึ่งทะเลสาบตรงนี้นะคะจะเป็นทะเลสาบที่ใหญ่ที่สุดในทวีปเอเชีย Southeast Asia นะคะใช่ไหม
ใช่ this is the biggest lake in Southeast Asia
ใช่สวยมากทะเลสาบก็คือออกเสียงเป็นภาษาไทยก็เป็นทะเลสาบค่ะทุกคนแต่ว่าชื่อมันก็คือว่าทะเลสาบทะเลสาบทะเลสาบLake. What's some?
This the lake. The Tonle Sap lake. Yeah. From here to here, 130 kilometers. From here to here, 70 or 80 kilometers, depend on the wet season and dry season. Yeah. We have 5 provinces around the lake, and the water from Mekong River, Tibet Mountain, from here. Yes. And arrive Phnom Penh. One way go to the Tonle Sap Lake and two-way go to Vietnam. Yeah. Go to Vietnam, continue go to the ocean. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, so we just got stuck now. What's happening, man?
น้ำมันหมดค่ะทุกคนตอนเนี้ย
Thôi, chưa đào đi đúng không? Chưa đào đi không? Afraid, afraid. Afraid ơi. What if you want?
We're waiting for it to fix it up now.
Yeah. Because the gasoline is finished.
Vous avez pas de la vodka?
Sorry.
Mình té đó rồi. Nâng tí vậy.
Busy rowing our way out here, yeah?
No choice.
Yeah, no choice. Hopefully we don't get stuck on the bank here. That won't be, yeah, that won't be good. Better you keep us in the middle. There we go. So we are still trying to get away here now. And, yeah, looks like she got the engine started. Now she just needs to get moving.
Lucky that we are not too far.
Luckily, yeah. Yay! Thank you very much. Very good. Yay! Yeah, what a stressful little situation there, but we made it. Thank you, Ma, very much. Thank you. Hey.
I don't want to sleep here, man.
Yeah, me too. Alright, so we made it finally to land now.
Yeah.
It was,
สุดยอด
yeah, the engine stopped, but they don't know if they had gasoline or finished or what, no?
Yeah.
But yeah, we're alright now.
Alright, so now we are done with this trip now. Hope you guys like this video.
Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, everyone.
Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video.
Bye bye.